Good morning everyone. Welcome to GATE 2022 online application form filling video. So now finally the form is started for GATE 2022 which will be conducted by IIT KGP. Okay. So watch this video carefully. I will share all the detailed information regarding the same. So do not miss any part of the video. The form last date is 24th of September as you can see. Okay. So now we will see first documents. Okay, so first is very important that your identity proof, which will be your Aadhaar card, PAN, okay, PAN card, then your voter ID, and it should be in color copy only. Okay, you will scan in color and then you will upload on the portal. Second, for caste certificate SC/ST, you will give in PDF format. Same for PWD candidates, PWD certificate you need to submit in PDF format. Then photo, which should be recent, right? And then signature. Okay, that's it. Now the important thing, that is two paper combination. So as you know, or those who don't know, you can give two papers now in GATE. Okay, first one will be your primary paper, which will be your branch paper in which you did your BTech B. Okay, and second one will be your secondary paper. So let's see which paper you can give as per your branch. Okay, so see here, this is your primary paper code. Okay, I will show you the paper code also. So suppose you are from electronics and communication, EC is for electronics communication, then you can give as a second paper in instrumentation, then physics, electrical, computer science, geometrics, engineering. Okay, out of these two, anyone you can give as a secondary paper. Okay, and primary paper will be your branch only, that is your EC. Similarly, you can see the paper codes for other branches. This is for instrumentation, then mechanical. Okay, you can see all that. And this is the full form of your paper code, that is A is for aerospace engineering. Okay, so like this you can get your paper code, that is your primary and secondary. Okay, all the things you will get here. Okay, next is fees. So for general OBC EWS 1500 rupees, and for SC ST PWD female 750 rupees. Okay, and these fees are as per only primary paper, means for one paper. Okay, if you are giving secondary paper also, second paper also, then it will be double, that is 3000 for general OBC EWS and 1500 for SC ST PWD female if you are giving two papers. Okay, now let's with our form filling. Okay, so when you click on the link which I am giving in the description, okay, this is the official website of IIT KGP for GATE 2022. This will get open, and now here you need to click, that is new user, and register here. Okay, so now we need to put first name, middle name, surname, name of the candidate. Okay, properly put all the things, just check the spelling, because if you perform the mistake, then definitely you need to pay to rectify it. Okay, so that's why don't commit any mistake here. Okay, so you can see first name, middle name, and surname. Okay, and here you will get name of the candidate, that is Pawan Prasad Kumar. Okay, so like this you need to put your name, and make sure that this name and the spelling which will match with your identity proof, which is very important. Okay, it should get matched. Then click on confirm. Again they are asking you that you are sure or not. Okay, because this will not get edited in the next process, that's why. So just make sure again the spelling, and then click on continue. Okay, now this is the form. So here we need to put email ID and we need to confirm it. Okay, so I put the email ID. Then country, India and other. As you know that foreign candidates can also apply to the GATE. Okay, so if you are from India, then select India. If you are from foreign, then click on other, and then select according the country code and all the things. Okay, like this. If you are from India, then it is 91, and then put your mobile number and confirm it. Then password and confirm password. So just put proper password. As you can see here also, that do not put any date of birth, your name, okay, any string, number, letter like 1 2 3 4 like that. So means don't put any common password. Password length should be in between 8 to 15 characters. Okay, so put some tough password. Okay, then you need to solve this, and then click on submit button. Okay, now they send you SMS and email, okay, which having your enroll ID. So that is very much important for you. And now we will log in with that in enroll ID or email address. You can log in. Okay, email address also you can use, but email ID, enroll ID also you can use. Password which we will set, and then this we need to seal, and we need to log in. Okay, so I put email address here and password, and then I clicked on login. Okay, then click on I hereby declare that and just go to application form. Okay, now here in the start only you can see that whether you want to give one paper or two paper. I already told you, if you are giving one, then you need to pay one fee. If you are giving two paper, then you need to pay double fee, right? So if I select two, then you can see the paper 2, that is your secondary paper and primary paper, which will be your branch. Okay, suppose I am selecting electronics communication, so continue, and paper 2 I can give here also you can get the information. Okay, that is electrical geometrics, what I told you. So you can select any paper here, right, like this. If you are getting one, then you can select one only, and that's it, right? So suppose I am giving two papers, so EC, and then get two paper in instrumentation. Then we need to select examination city. Okay, so now properly see whether your city is there or not. Obviously you will get your city, there is no problem for GATE exam. Okay, in each city you will get the center, so there is no problem. But you can see the list here, that's why I am scrolling. Just see the list. Okay, out of this now we need to select any three cities, so I am selecting any three cities. And click on save and then next. Okay, then your date of birth, which is very important, so just select your date of birth. Okay, again they are asked to confirm, that is 1st July 1996, whatever I select here. So here also many candidates perform mistake. Okay, so properly select your date of birth very carefully. In general also many candidates do mistake, so properly select your gender. Okay, if you are male, then male, female, then female. Okay, then nationality Indian, other. Category, what is your category? Okay, this is the eligibility for general and EWS, means those who are from EWS. So just select your category. If you select OBC non-creamy, then you are SC ST. Okay, and then general. So I am selecting here SC. Then if you are from PWD, if you are a PWD candidate, then select yes. You need to select your disability. Okay, you can see the list here and what is the disability percentage. Okay, and if you are no, then click on no. Then candidate with dyslexia, again you need to select yes if yes. Okay, otherwise no. Okay, country of permanent residence, so here you need to select your country again. So I will select India. Then state, union, territory of permanent residence, so what is your state? Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Now which will be your valid photo ID? Aadhaar card, Aadhaar virtual card, driving license, PAN card, passport, voter ID. Okay, if you are from other country, then suppose I select Afghanistan, then here it will be other, and this valid photo ID will be driving license, government issue ID, okay, and passport. So these are the valid photo ID for other candidates other than India. Okay, okay, now we need, as I select Aadhaar card, then you need to give your Aadhaar card number here, right? Okay, then you need to select or type your name of the parents or guardian, so just type here. Okay, country, whether they reside, that is India. If they are from India, then select India, otherwise other. Okay, and their mobile number you need to select, and then click on next button. Okay, now we need to put our address here. Okay, that is for correspondence, so properly select your PIN code of your country. Okay, so properly fill all the details compulsory, and then click on next. Now about your college, from whether you are getting you got your BE and BTech degree. Okay, so college PIN code, where your college, then your college, university, country of university. Okay, so you can see here country of university also. Then state, union. Okay, then college, city, town, then your institute registration or roll number. Okay, roll number you need to put here. Then your qualifying degree, B, BTech, okay, that you need to select, and other degree also are there, you can select as per this. Then discipline of qualifying degree, in which degree you get your BE, BTech, then you need to select that. Okay, so I am selecting here communication engineering. Okay, So now final year candidates are also eligible for this. So if you got your degree, then select no, yes, otherwise you can select no also, okay, because final year candidates are also eligible. So select yes, otherwise select no. You need to select your year, okay. If you select yes, then no need to, no, there is no problem. You can select any degree from 1940, right? So here you can select any degree. And if you are a final candidate, then click on no, and in which year you will get pass out. So 2021 22 you can select like that, okay. Then degree awarding university or institute name, okay. So I select the university, then select your college name, type your college name, okay, and click on next. Now very important that we need to upload our photograph, signature and photo ID also along with. Now as I select SC category, okay, so that's why they are asking me to upload SC certificate. For SC, ST only and PWD only this will get appear. For general, EWS and OBC it will not get appear, okay. Now here about photograph, okay, so these are the guidelines for photograph, which is very important. So it is clearly written that good quality photo they want, okay. Second, height and width ratio they given. Then white background, it should be in white background and color photograph, okay? And in JPEG and JPG format you need to upload this. Size will be 20 KB to maximum 200 KB you can upload, and sample photograph they given here, okay. So these are the acceptable photograph. Like this only you need to upload your photograph, not like this only, okay. Any style you need to, you don't need to upload, okay. So when you will upload it, it will get display here. It should be properly as the good quality photo, okay, in this ratio only that I told you. Similarly for image signature, okay, so you will get here your signature also, then photo ID which will be in PDF format, right. Size will be 10 KB to 600 KB, and then your caste certificate if you are from SC, ST, PWD, okay, size will be again 10 KB to 600 KB. Then just select the source from which you get the information regarding GATE 2022, okay. So just social network you can select or anything, okay. So this is the uploading process. Now just click on review and submit. Before that you can save also, okay. This is the final declaration. So just click on tick, compulsory read all these things. Then e-signature, you need to write your name here, okay, like this. Then just verify application form before submitting. Just check whether you fill the form properly or not, okay. It will get download here, see, you can see here, okay. It will get download. I will open this now as a PDF. करून टाकू ना. Okay, so like this you will get, you can see here your paper code, first primary paper and secondary paper, okay. Then exam city, qualification details, communication address and date of birth and everything you will get here, okay. So yes, done with verification. Click on submit and proceed to payment. Okay, now they send OTP to your registered email ID and mobile number, okay. So I got the OTP, Let me just enter that OTP here. Okay, and then click on OK. Now this is your payment portal. So as you know, I select SC category and I select 2 paper. That's why the fee is 1500 rupees. Okay, 750 into 2. Yeah. Now here you can see the charges of various payments. Okay. So for debit card RuPay, we don't have any charge. Then for UPI, we don't have any charge. So just select UPI. Okay. UPI is our comfortable because there is no charge. Then make payment. Click on make payment. So like this you will get information here. Okay, so just click on whatever UPI option you have, Google Pay, your Paytm, Phone Pay. Just click on Phone Pay. Okay, and here you can see convenience charges are there, online charge, and GST is also there. So total fee will be 1526 rupees. Okay, so this 26 rupees will add for everyone. So just make sure about this. Okay, and then click on continue. Okay, so Razor Pay payment gateway they are using, and now we need to just go to our Phone Pay application and just pay the fees. Okay, so this is all about your process. Already the application form you got there. Okay, again you can print the same, there is no problem in that. Now if you have any single query, then ask me in the comment section. Okay, don't fill the form, don't rush to the form, because this is very much important form for you, right? This is the gateway for your IITs, NITs and PSU. So that's why don't get rush. Just properly see the video again if you want. If you feel any query, anything, definitely comment down below. I will definitely reply you. Okay, in no time. So with this, I will signing off now. I will meet you in the next video. So if you have any query, any doubt, just comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Compulsory like the video. Okay, which is very important. All the best.